Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just another Sneha, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a protein hair mask. From my personal experience I can tell you guys this is one of the most amazing and effective hair masks I've ever tried. And if you have really dull, damaged, dry hair, then you should definitely consider giving this mask a try, and I'm damn sure you're going to love it. So let's get into the video.
So for making the hair mask, first we'll need 1 egg. Then we'll add about 3 tablespoons of curd to it. Then we have to add about 2 tablespoons of honey. After adding all the ingredients, you will get a mixture of this consistency. Egg can be superfood for your hair due to the unique combination of vitamins found inside. Vitamin A, E, biotin and folate are just some of the nutrients that researchers have linked to hair growth and healthy hair. Curd is an excellent ingredient to keep scalp infections at bay. Moreover, it is known to reduce stubborn dandruff and itchiness. In addition, curd is rich in vitamin B5 and vitamin D. Due to its many therapeutic properties, using honey in a hair mask may help moisturize your hair and scalp, reduce frizz, restore shine, and reduce hair breakage. For best results, you can use this hair mask once a week.
So yeah, that's that guys. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.